Alright, y'all. What's up? Oh, Jesus. What's up, y'all? Life of A and K here. So, today, going to be taking off my wrap. Right now, he's actually switching out my wheels because these are stock ones, and I'm putting on two different ones. So he's doing that right now. But in a little bit, we're gonna get started on taking off my wrap. Then we're gonna wash it and clay bar. I get everything ready for the next one. Kind of exciting. I'm not gonna tell you all the color yet, but we're gonna be getting both our cars redone in probably mid-January. The sun's right on my face. Yeah, I wanted to go ahead and take off my wrap because it's almost Christmas, and I'm gonna be super busy with work and then doing other stuff on my off days. So just gonna go ahead and get that started now, and yeah. So just follow along. So he's putting this one on right now. This one looks so meaty. You can tell the lip on this one is a little bit bigger than that one, which is why we're putting it on the back. But yeah. Alright, y'all. Here we go. Alright. So I'm going to use this glove because last time I took off my last wrap, I started getting sore on the fingers, so I can't find the other one. Shit is dirty. Oh my god! Oh, this gonna be easy. This gonna be easy. So I only had this wrap for, I think in March it'll be a year, so what, 9 months? Not too bad. But I love this color, and I don't know if y'all could tell. I'm gonna show y'all the photo of what it looks like on the website. And it does look like that, but only at night. So, these tucks got me. It bothers me that, you know, in the sun it doesn't look as good. And yeah, I don't know. I see adhesive. It's not good. I mean, it's alright, but adhesive is coming at me and I'm gonna have to take it off. But oh my god, I haven't seen the red in so long. This is a workout, y'all. Okay. Well, that's one fender done. So I just got finished with this panel. I'm doing back and forth between YouTube video and Instagram because, you know, content creator. What made you so confident? Delusion. I think that's how it goes. But it's not hard. If it was warmer, it would be easier because the wrap would be heated up and it would come off easier. But I mean, it's not too bad. I've fallen like 2 times, so I'm gonna try not to. Maybe I'll add the clip in here, but I'm sure it won't be the last. Oh, smooth. Oh, fuck me. In the fucking ass. So let's put that and try to. Fuck! Y'all see that? This is gonna irk me to the end of life. Okay. Oh, it was just that easy, Angelina. Come on. Shit. Okay, that's good. After this, I'm gonna have the door. Ah! I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Y'all see that? It's blood. Instant, just fucking instant blood. Get the fuck away from my house. Goddamn kids. Just kidding. Love kids. So fuck them kids. Alright, y'all. So far, this is what we got done. I can't lie, I missed the red. I'm gonna do the trunk last because I need to take the wing off. But most of it, I'd say most of it's done. Just the door, the fender, the hood, and the bumper, and the trunk. The hood and all the rest should be easy. The bumper might be a little bit tough. Here around the door handle is kind of hard right here because it's tucked in there and I have to really just take it all off for it to be right, or like, get the rest of it off. But yeah, don't keep recording. Let's get the rest of this shit off. Okay. Alright, y'all. Day 2. I didn't finish unwrapping, so we're back to it. Gotta finish the bumper, which I kind of started on, but it's been a pain. Then I have the hood and the trunk left, and then I'm good to go. Then we'll get to detailing, clay bar, polish the wheels, all that stuff. But yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna finish off unwrapping this if I can get this motherfucking. It makes it so much easier with heat, y'all. I don't know why. Maybe I was just lazy. I didn't think it would help. But I started off not using heat. And then Kevin comes out here and he's like it's so much easier if you just use heat. And I was like, nah. But it is. It really is. Just. And I don't know. Maybe I thought it was just too extra, but it's not. Just use the heat. Make your life easier. Ugh. I'm gonna have to cut this. Thank you. Ugh. No. Why? I can't. I really can't. Please come up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Beautiful. Not beautiful. I need to paint correct this. Oh, that's knifeless tape. Leftover knifeless tape. And I bet you that was me. Alright, y'all. I just pulled up this so that I can, start getting it. Alright. Perfect. Okay. We got this. Let's be a little bit gentle with this because I don't want it to rip. Alright. The rest of it is under the weather strip, but I'm not too worried about that because I will get it later. Alright, y'all. So I got it to where I could hopefully get this off fairly easily. So to avoid making this video super long, I'm going to get back to you guys after I remove most of this. Alright, still working on the hood. This is what it's come to. Does that work? Alright, so I took this off, which I did in my TikTok video / Instagram video. I'm kind of gonna mesh them together, but now I'm gonna put it back on the YouTube video. I decided to just take it off so I can put the wrap back on. So I can take the wrap off all the way. So put that in there. It's a 10 millimeter. You're gonna have 4 screws on each vent. I only have 3 because I end up losing them somehow. This is 3. Alright. Oh, don't forget to put this back on too. Alright. Screw this. See what I mean? Clumsy as fuck. Screw that. And then I'm gonna take my tin and tighten it up. Okay, that's 1. And 2. Good there. And then bam. I got dirt all over it, but we're gonna wash it anyways. Good to go. So I just took off the other screw in a separate video. I'm gonna try to do it in this one. I have dropped a lot of fucking screws, so see how we can do it. Fuck. Oh, I don't want to strip it. Okay. Let this down so it's out, but I need to. Oh my god, don't drop it. Don't drop. Don't drop. Oh, I got it, y'all. I've got it. Get out of there. Success. We got it. Okay, y'all. So this is what it looks like now. All cleaned up. She looks really pretty. And I got the red lights going. I can't believe the red is back, y'all. But yeah. Everything beautiful. It's just crazy seeing it back with stock color. Okay, sorry about the background noise, but last night I washed the car and all that good stuff, detailed it, the wheels and all that, but I ran out of storage and my phone ended up dying, my mic ended up dying, everything ended up dying. So I couldn't record the last bit of it, but I wanted to show y'all the finished look. In a month or so it'll be wrapped again, but I mean, I'm gonna enjoy the red while I can. And yeah, I mean, that's the rest of the video pretty much. So just show love, like, comment, subscribe, share with everybody. And yeah, I mean, it was fun. Peace out, y'all.